and we'll have done all we need for the basic drawing. Then everything else is fun. So the intersections are here, 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 and here, and here, and here. So let's go back and look and see how we have to construct it again. We want a line that goes all the way through here. It's going to be a little bit tricky with what I'm using, but you'll have a longer straight edge, so it'll work better for you. Actually, we can use the straight edge in this tool, so that'll work fine for us. Let's go back here. Let's grab our ruler. Let's take this first intersection here. See if we can convince this ruler to work in the way that we want. We're interested in this point right here. It needs to go from here through there. So let's make sure that we have ruler in the right place. That looks good. Now I can draw the line from the top all the way through. We want to make sure that we get all the way to the edge of the square. Okay, so that one's good. All right, maybe not so good. If we look up here, it's not very accurate, is it? So let's undo that one and do it again. All right, take our ruler, line it up a little bit better. Might need to move down just a bit. No, we're liking it because look how parallel it is here. It's not perfect, maybe a little bit. Yours will be better. So let's go ahead and make this line. I want to make these lines in green. Maybe that'll make it easy to see them. Let's start here. Let's move all the way down across. We want to fill up the square. Good. Now that we've done that one, we can slide the ruler down. We want to make sure that we get this other pair right here and right here. Make a line that goes all the way through again. Okay. Move the ruler, see how we've done. That'll be fine. Now we've done those two, let's do the two in the other direction. So the ruler is going to have to be turned. Let's put it down here and see if we can get it lined up the way we want. If we make it parallel to one of these other lines, then we'll know we'll be fine. So that's now some parallel. So let's grab the ruler and move it down so we get the intersection of this point and that point there. So now I'm going to draw my green line going this way. Okay. Grab my ruler, slide it down, do the next intersections down here. You can see my work is not very accurate, but yours will be better than mine. So let's go ahead and make this line from there all the way to the top. If I pull the ruler away, you can see we have a nice grid so far. We just have a couple more lines to make and then we'll be done. Let's look at our reference sheet so we know what we're doing. You can see that we did 2 across like this. We've done 2 across like this. We just need to do these 2 verticals, and these 2 horizontals, and then we've done enough for this portion of the session. So let's take my ruler, let's make it vertical again. You can check that it's vertical by seeing if it's parallel to these. That's good. I'm going to stick with our green pen, it helps with this. The intersections I care about now are this one and this one down here. So we'll move it over just a little bit more. Okay, start at the top, make a line all the way down to the bottom. Okay, slide the ruler over, start at the top again, go all the way down, try to be accurate. Okay, good enough. 2 more lines and we're set. Let's rotate our ruler around. This time we want it horizontal. You can check that it's horizontal by comparing it to the other lines. Is it parallel to that? You can see it's a little bit off. So I need to straighten it just a bit. The intersections we care about now are this one and this one. So if I drag it up here, and now I can make my line across. Good. One more. Whoops. Let's undo. My ruler disappeared. Ruler, ruler, where are you? It's decided to give up on me. Okay. Let me try one more time. There's a compass. And our ruler's disappeared. Go back to pencil. I'm going to need a line that goes from here all the way through to there. You do a better job than me. Let's see about here. Make sure it goes all the way across. You can see that mine's not good enough, so let's try again. Please use a straight edge because you'll do a better job that way. That'll do for today. Okay. Let's look at what we have. You can see there are lots and lots of different shapes in here. The circle holds everything in. You can see the grid inside allows us to do different kinds of things. I'll show you the original sketch in a moment. These lines that hit the edges at the top, right here, and right here, as well as right here, they're important because of the tiling pattern. You have to make those really, really good. You can see that they match up here again. They match up here again. This basic form can be used to make lots and lots of different tiling patterns. But the one we're interested in right now starts out like this. This is what you've made so far. You can see that if you use different colors and inscribe it in a certain way, you can make a very delicate, interesting pattern that can be repeated again and again and again. You don't have to do this one, but this one's a traditional pattern. I'm going to slide down again so you can see what this particular pattern will do. So happy drawing.